How to send USDT from Coinbase Wallet to Binance. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can do that. First off, you're going to have to open up your Coinbase Wallet and make sure that you have some USDT that you can send here. So in order to do that, you could just go ahead and tap on the send icon. And then from here, you can send the amount that you want. So just enter the amount that you want to send. And once you tap on it, tap on next, then you are going to require a wallet address. So to get the wallet address, you can open up Binance. Then from here, you can tap on deposit and search for USDT. Now select the network. Once you've selected the correct network, that is BNB Smart Change, you can copy the deposit address, go back there and paste the address here. Once you've pasted the address, all you have to do is just enter the amount and then tap on confirm here, and your transaction should go through. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.